This is probably one of my most important reference documents. It's a color-coded circuit diagram of the wiring for the headlights, taillights, cluster lights, light switch, generator, alternator, coil, and it's pretty detailed. Here's zoom in here a little and show you. It has all the fuses, connectors. Here's the lights, and it's all color-coded. And over here to the right is the wire color coding key. Tells you what color the wires are associated with the color diagram here. And this, there it is again. And over here, I'm going to zoom in here. I have a 1964 Thunderbird. Now, these diagrams provided by this company, they provide it for all your Fords and T-Birds and Chevys and Plymouths, but this is the one I'm using for my 1960 T-Bird. And you can see right here, it's www.classiccarwiring.com. And there's the phone number there. But anyways, this has made it real easy to troubleshoot wire connections, etc. Here's the second sheet of diagrams. Includes this one for the convertible top. It includes it for the power windows, and also includes it for the power seats. Both these sheets are laminated, so they're easy to work with around the car, so you don't get them all greasy. Here's another reference document I'm using. It's pretty handy. It also includes all the electric circuits as shown on that color diagram, but they're black and white. And they're a little more complicated. I find the color one works out better for me. I use this one more to see where the harnesses ran in the engine compartment and in the car, where they're connected. And it's been quite a handy referenced doc also. This one here you can find it for your T-Bird. You can find it on your parts suppliers for T-Bird. They all have these different documents you can use. Last but not least is this reference document. It's provided by Larry's Thunderbird and Mustang. And it includes pretty much your hardware side of things on nuts and bolts. It goes through the entire car, but it does have a good electrical section. It doesn't include circuit diagrams, but it includes all the hardware that's necessary to mount your different devices, and it does show some of the wiring harnesses, but I find this is a very handy document also. You see I got working copy on there. What I've done is these 8.5 by 11 pages, I take them out and put them in a clear sleeve so that I can use them as reference when I'm working on my Thunderbird. But there's other reference documents out there if you want to look around, but I find these three that I show are the handiest for me. So if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a nice day.